What you see here is the GWS 26 LVI Professional, the powerful angle grinder with the lowest weight in its class. Its powerful 2600-watt Champion motor ensures very fast work progress. And the rotating main handle is ideal for different applications. At only 5.6 kilos, this grinder is the lightest in its class and is ideal if you often have to grind for several hours at a time. Main and auxiliary handles have Bosch vibration control. This reduces vibration by up to 40% to enable longer periods of work with low user fatigue. The restart protection prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. For you, this means greater user protection. Thanks to its kickback stop function, the angle grinder automatically detects when the disc jams and shuts the tool down immediately. Experience for yourself the GWS 26 LVI Professional Angle Grinder, a powerful 2600 watts and lighter than ever before.